Hello, we're doing leetcode problem 1047. It's going to be remove all duplicates from a string. So we know right now that we're given a string of lowercase letters and we just need to remove all the duplicates whenever they're adjacent. So for instance, A, so we want to remove B, and then A and A are going to be adjacent, so we want to remove those. So the end result will be CA. It's the only example that's given. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So we're going to use a stack. In order to do this, we're going to just basically push to the stack. So the first letter. Then we compare the first letter with the second letter. Okay, so we just keep increasing our stack. There's another one. Okay, so now B and B are of the same letter. So we just remove those. So then it's going to be A. Then we remove those. And then we're going to add C. Then we're going to add A. A stack is a last in, first out method. So let's go ahead and build a, we'll try to do this of O of 1, and we'll build a for loop for that. Let's build the stack first. And we will use a for loop, and while conditions, while we will pop. So let's just go ahead and build that. Let's see. So first off, we want to make sure there's something in there. So we're going to be s.length is greater than 0. Then we want to make sure si is equal to the last previous thing we put to the stack, because it's last in, first out. So in order to get that, we'll just do stack and its index, which will be the last one out. So stack.length -1. So while both these conditions are being met, we're going to actually have an outside variable, so we don't push constantly. So now we're going to push pop from the stack. And that's it there. So then we're going to make an if statement. So we only want to push if this is a brand new number. So if j does not equal si, we're going to return our stack joined. And there you go. So just one last final explanation. When these conditions are met, when there's something in the stack, and when the I is when the current index is matching what's the last thing on the stack, we pop it off, and then we don't add it. Right? We don't add it to the stack, because then it would be like A, B, A. So we just go A, we see that B is equal to the next one. So we basically just pop off the one in the stack and we just don't add it. And then we go through this again. We see that, okay, so now the next index does not equal this index. Is equal to this letter. So therefore we remove it also. And then since it's equal to it, since it's equal to it, we do not add it to the stack. And then C and then A, because look, it does not equal yeah, right. And yeah, so that's how you do remove all duplicates from the string.